Michelle, and our gorgeous camera person Stephanie that you'll get to see sometime in the future. We are here to show you how to close your back table pack. Again, this is very important to help you with your 12 minutes while opening, or before you open. So we have, first you're going to start with the back table. You want to make sure that you have it lined up about the same on each side. And then Michelle is going to start putting together. You kind of go from the biggest to the smallest. So you put your drape down first. Then you build from there. Then you have your towels, which you have 15 towels. Not 12, not 13, not 14, but 15 towels should be in each pack. And if you're not able to remember that, you do have your little sheet to match each pack. So then she places her sponge tray and divides the towels to make a nice even top. Then she has, well, this we're going to put on top because you need to go through and mark everything off on it to make sure everything is there. But you have your trash bag, and then your mayo stand cover, and then your surgeon's gown, and your suction tubing, your bovie, your bulb syringe. Notice the bulb syringe is in your pack, not your basin pack, but your backpack. And then your suction. Then we will go through and make sure, which you would do this as you are putting together your back table. You have your drape. We have our mayo stand, we have our gown, 15 OR towels, our 10 lap sponges, which we showed you how to fold those earlier, along with the 10 Raytex sponges. And then you have your sharps container, and then your hypo needle, which is in the sharps container, which, sorry, we didn't show you that, but it is in there. And then you have your 10 cc syringe, which is also in the sponge container, and then your suction tubing, your suction tip, your bovie pencil, your marking pen, which is in your sponge container, along with your medicine labels and your ruler, and then we have the trash bag. So we will mark that everything is in there, and then we will sign it, and your instructor will sign it, and both of you will date it. And then please keep track of packs clean, and follow those. Remove any unused tape. Align your OR towels with the seams in the same position as we stated before with your sponges. Align your Raytex and your lap sponges, which we have stressed before. You haven't got that yet. And then you replace any the medicine labels, and then you wrap the pack tightly. So we will sign this and date this and mark this off, but before that we are just going to go ahead and show you how to fold up the backpack. So you do your one end, and you want to get all your creases out. other end. And this makes it easy to unfold when you're opening. Straighten out your ends. And again, you can curve in the bottom and then roll once or twice. And then tape. And this makes it a lot easier where you're not having things fall all over the place when you open it. This is not rocket science, people. Let's get it right.